Bargain hunters are wise to pay careful attention to insider buying because although there are many reasons for an insider to sell a stock, presumably the only reason they would use their hard-earned dollars to make a purchase is they expect to make money. Today, we take a look at two noteworthy recent insider buys. On Tuesday, Helmerich & Payne's director, Donald Robillard, made a $125,000 purchase of HP, purchasing 2,000 shares at a cost of $62.64 each. Bargain hunters are able to bag that stock even cheaper than Robillard did, with the shares trading as low as $60 on Wednesday, which is 4.2% below Robillard's purchase price. Helmerich & Payne is trading off about 1.3% on the day Wednesday. This purchase marks the first one filed by Robillard in the past year. And on Friday, director Richard Lerner bought $99,000 worth of OPKO Health, buying 13,100 shares at a cost of $7.63 each. Before this latest buy, Lerner bought that stock on two other occasions during the past 12 months for a total cost of $250,000. The average stock price, $4.59 per share. OPKO Health is trading up 0.8% on the day Wednesday. For PassFail.com, I'm Kristen Bianco, taking you behind the ticker.